How to replace a Human Touch Novo, Novo XT, or Novo XT2 massage mechanism fabric cover. You will need a paper clip to complete this procedure. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the top of the backrest pad. Unzip the front of the backrest pad from the foot and calf massager upholstery, then, starting at the front of the chair, unzip both sides of the backrest pad. Lift the front of the backrest pad, then use a paper clip to unzip the massage mechanism fabric cover from the chair. Remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Place the new fabric cover into position with the zipper facing the front of the chair. Use a paper clip to zip the fabric cover to the chair. Starting at the top of the backrest, zip each side of the pad to the chair. Zip the front of the pad to the foot and calf massager upholstery. Zip the top of the pad to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.